there's a couple of moves that I didn't have to do in the last cube, so I'll try and come across them now and just show you those. And that anybody can do the cube, it's that easy to do. Once you know, I'm just going to the middle layer bit. Right, middle layer bits. Yeah, I did say in the last video, but I'll just do these as well while I'm here. Middle layer is from the bottom, left 1, down 1, right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, down 1. That's the middle pieces in. Put it in the wrong way there. So the middle pieces, again, that's going to go in there. Right 1, down 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, left 1, down 1, and it's in. Yep. Middle piece again. Middle is the second. There's two lots of middle piece moves. So this is the second layer middle piece move, whatever you want to class it as. But I'll class it as a second layer middle piece. But once you've got these written down, just like how the moves they are, when I talk, when I do the cube, I'll talk in like second layer middle piece, and you'll be able to, if you're taking notes, you can just say left 1, right 1. No, that's fine. You get to know that move. Yeah? Again, that is going in there. That is going in there. Yeah. And so it's flush with the red. Right? And this is left 1, down 1, right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, down 1. It's in. Again, flush there. It's going to go in there. This is right 1, down 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, left 1, down 1, and it's in. See that? It's almost in, but the corners aren't in. I've got to swap these two corners around. So I have showed you how to do that. That's the red, which should be there, and that's the orange, which should be there. Yeah. So you position them right so they're on opposite corners, and you look at them like that. Swapping the corners move is down 1 from the left, right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, down 1, left 1. All the corners are now in place, although not in the right places, but they're in the right corners. And when you see this like that, you start with the yellow that's there in that corner. Yeah. Because you never start doing the corners with M3. Right. You start with the corner like that. That's a yellow. Yeah. Velcro on there. And there's a yellow. You pull that one down first. Yeah. And this is the corner move. So you swap the corners over. There is only one corner move. It's either you either pull that one down, or that one down. Yeah. Whichever side the yellow is on. Yeah. But as it's this, you start with that one. Inside yeah, start with that one. And this is the corner move. There's only one corner move, that's it. Which is down one, right one, up one, right one, bottom layer, down one, right two, up one. There you go. Z's, you can't do anything with a Z, so just start with any yellow. Because you're trying to put that on there, aren't you? So you're going to get it down, aren't you? To put that on there. Start with a singular, because they've got doubles there. There's doubles there. Start with a singular, and just do the same move. This time it's right. It says it's down one, left one, up one, bottom layer, left one, down one, bottom layer all the time, left two, up one. And this move you can't do anything with either, so you've got to just keep on doing it until you get one corner, the same corner move. Down one, left one, up one, left one, down one, left two to there, up one. And now we've got one corner. So we're going to do the same corner move again, but we're going to start, that's the corner, and this is here, so you start again. So that was the corner, this is the corner moves. There's only one corner move, that's it. It's just either left, it's either there, or there and there. So you either, on the corner move, you either come down and right one, or down there and left one. Yeah. It'd be different when you see it, but yeah. But it's the same corner move. Yeah. So because we've got that there, you start with the yellow again, yeah. So it's there. So you bring this one down. You've got one corner, which means all the corners will go in. You know that before you do this move, all the corners are going to go in. And that's the last time you use the corner move again. So you bring that down. Corner's there. Yellow is there, not on the top it. You bring it down like so. Down one, right one, up one, right one, down one, right two. All the corners are in. And I've not shown you the three-piece move, yeah? Because there's a three-piece move, but you've seen it in my video, it's a three-piece move. It's where you put the one at the back, yeah? Where you see it, you've seen it, where the one goes at the back and the two come down. The two come down and the one goes up. This has been round there, and it comes back up the top. It comes back up there. Yeah? That's a three-piece move, which I haven't got to do because this is the last move of the cube. Yeah? And I showed you this a minute ago, which is your last move. Red is going to go into that red. Yeah. Top finished surface. That's a completed surface. You start with a completed surface. Yeah. Middle piece down. Yeah. Left one. Up one. The middle piece. Left two. Down one. Left one. Up one. Cube finish. That's a two-piece middle cube. Two-piece middle piece move. There you go.